Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which is some little pancakes. This is a recipe which is super easy to make and I hope you enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need 400 grams of cottage cheese. Then add 60 grams of flour and mix it very well. Then add 60 grams of sugar, 5 grams of vanilla, and 2 eggs, which you preferably separate the eggs from the yolks, and only add the yolks for now. Mix it very well, and let's form the pancakes. And now with some frying oil, we can cook the pancakes. For about 2 or 3 minutes, fry the pancakes into a pan. Then let them sit for about 2 or 3 minutes. When they're all done, take them out of the heat and you can plate them. You can add some honey or something sweet to accompany them. When it's all done, you can try them out. They're super delicious and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.